motorhomes aren't too unusual in the UK, but this is a new name here. GiottiLine is a fully Italian manufacturer based in Tuscany and part of the Rapido family. Similarly, Wincham Leisure is a familiar name in the camper van conversion world here, but this is their first venture into bigger motorhomes. The company began importing GiottiLine earlier this year, and we've had the chance to look at the first of the 2019 models, the GiottiLine T34, today at Kingsbury Water Park Club site. From the outside, it's a traditional low-profile model on a Peugeot base with a 2-litre engine under the bonnet. But inside, there are some distinctive touches like this lovely lime-washed cabinetry and smart 3-tone upholstery. The living area converts into a single bed at the front with a drop-down single above it. Kitchen's well equipped with a 3-burner hob, deep sink and the fridge-oven combination opposite. The washroom straddles the motorhome with a shower on one side and the toilet cubicle on the other. And at the back is a bright bedroom with a full 5-foot wide bed. This is cleverly adjustable. You can drop it down on site or raise it to give more room in the garage when you need it. At £58,000, it's not cheap, but this includes pretty much everything you can see here except the e-bikes. You get refillable gas cylinders, for example, and perhaps more than you need because the package includes no fewer than 2 flat-screen televisions, outdoor furniture, crockery, and even a pair of scissors. A complete home from home, Italian style.